Welcome back to SDA Academy. This is Thiago. In this series, we will guide you through the software-defined automation platform, help you make the most of your free trial experience. Today, we are introducing a powerful feature for PLC engineers, AI-generated code documentation. In this fifth lesson, we explore how you can leverage the SDA factory agent to automatically generate documentation for your PLC programs. With AI-based documentation, understanding and managing your PLC code becomes faster and easier, helping you focus on optimizing your projects and improving code clarity. Let's dive in and see how this feature can help you gain deeper insights into your PLC programs. In this lesson, you will learn how to generate AI-based documentation for PLC programs, navigate through different program elements and create detailed documentation, use the DocuMode feature to view inline documentation, and export AI-generated documentation as a PDF. Let's jump into it. Let's log into the software-defined automation console and select one of our projects. I'm going to select the Line-to-Light Rockwell project for this lesson. Now, let's select the main file. Once you are on the project view screen, you may notice the DocuMode button, as well as the Explain buttons available for each rung. To start using the SDA factory agent, click on the Explain button for rung 1. It may take a moment to generate the full explanation. When the factory agent finishes, we'll see this explanation modal with the ladder logic on the left side and the description on the right. Here we have a summary of the explanation, but if you want a more detailed version, you can click this button and select Verbose. In the Verbose option, we provide an overview as well as a functional description, as you can see. If you are not satisfied with the current explanation, you can click this button to generate a new one. It will take a few seconds to complete, and afterward we'll be able to view the updated explanation. You also find a feedback section at the bottom right. Here you can rate the explanation for its correctness and completeness using a 5-star system for each attribute. There is also a comment box where you can provide additional feedback. Once you are finished, you can submit your feedback using the Submit button, or if you choose not to provide feedback, you can click the Skip button to skip this step. Once you have generated the documentation for the code, you can close this modal and click the DocuMode button to enable or disable inline documentation. The inline documentation allows you to choose between a summarized version or a more detailed one by clicking the down-facing arrow and selecting Verbose mode. Feel free to play with these possibilities. After generating the documentation for a specific file on the selected rungs, you can export it by clicking the three-dotted menu and selecting the Download Documentation button. A PDF file will be downloaded, allowing you to review the documentation in the generated PDF. And that concludes our lesson. Today, we learned how to generate AI-based documentation for PLC programs, navigate through various program elements to create detailed documentation, and utilize DocuMode for inline viewing. We also explored how to export the documentation as a PDF, making it easy to share and review. With all that covered, we wrap up our fifth lesson in your software-defined automation trial environment. Be sure to check out softwaredefinedautomation.io and docs.softwaredefinedautomation.io for more content, and don't forget to watch Lesson 6, which is the wrap-up of the series, covering the next steps for you to connect your PLC to the software-defined automation console. Thanks for watching!